Which period is known as the Golden Age of English Literature? The Victorian Age, the 18th Century, the Restoration, the Elizabethan Age. Answer is the Elizabethan Age. Elizabethan period is named after which person? Queen Elizabeth I, Queen Elizabeth II, Elizabeth Bowen, Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Answer is Queen Elizabeth I. Elizabethan tragedy is centered on love, war, revenge, philosophy. Answer is revenge. Which period is sometimes called a nest of singing birds? The modern period, the Victorian period, the Romantic period, the Elizabethan period. Answer is the Elizabethan period. When did Elizabethan period begin? In 1555, in 1558, in 1560, in 1565. Answer is in 1558. When did Elizabethan period end? In 1598, in 1600, in 1603, in 1605. Answer is in 1603. Who was the monarch before Elizabeth I? Henry VIII, Edward VI, Mary I, James I. Answer is Mary I. Which of the following is not a nickname of Elizabeth I? The Fairy Queen, Bloody Mary, Gloriana, the Virgin Queen. Answer is Bloody Mary. Who was the father of Mary I and Elizabeth I? Henry VI, Henry VII, Henry VIII, Henry I. Answer is Henry VIII. Elizabeth I and Mary I belong to which royal family? Windsor, Stuart, Tudor, Plantagenet. Answer is Tudor.